The trim and extend tools work as two separate tools on the draw ribbon on Infurnia. If I want to trim any part of the intersecting lines or arcs in this design, I simply need to click on the trim tool in the draw ribbon and hover over any of the lines that I want to trim. As you can see, whatever part that can be trimmed gets highlighted as soon as I move my mouse over it, which means in this intersecting pair of lines, only the part that is intersected can be deleted at a time by the trim tool. For example, in this cross shape, I can only delete this part which has been intersected, but not the entire line. However, in this particular case, I can erase an entire line. You can even use the trim tool to delete certain paths from a pair of intersecting arcs and lines at a time. I can even delete this arc or even this line. Now, let me draw a line to test out the extend tool. If I want to extend any of the lines to the other, let me click on the extend tool in the draw panel. And now, let me hover over the lines. You can see that whatever line has the potential of being extended to meet another point or line is highlighted in blue as soon as I move my cursor over it. This applies to this line as well because it can meet with the perpendicular line here. However, if I were to hover over this line, it does not meet anywhere, so it does not highlight in blue. Another thing about the extend tool is that it can only extend one line at a time, but never both, which means that even if these two lines over here were, if extended simultaneously, have the potential to meet at a point, I can only extend one at a time, therefore they do not highlight.